Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In the first part of the Firebase Firestore counter app, we have made the basic setup. We have created the project, added dependencies, and also we have made the Firebase Firestore collection in the Firebase console in our project. In this video, we will start from where we left in the last video. I have given link of the last video on the top right I button. First, we need the model class for parsing the data. We will right click in the package where main activity is there, then new Java class name counter model class variables name should be same as the field name in a document. In the counter model class, we have created two variables, name and likes. Name data type is string and likes data type is long. Now we need two constructors, one default constructor and one parameterized constructor, and also we will be required setters and getters, and optionally we could override toString method. We will go to the Firebase Firestore UI official documentation. I have given the link of the documentation in the description. We will copy the query and paste it in main activity on create method. We do not require order by and limit, so we could remove it. We will again go to the documentation and we'll copy this query.add snapshot listener. We will copy this block and paste it below query in main activity on create method. We need to import the nullable from Android X.annotation. Similarly, we need to change the model class to our counter model. We need to declare the counter model like globally on top. So we will remove it from here. We will change this collection name to our collection name that we have given in our Firestore like counter. We will be required two icons, one like and one for default. For that, I will go to flat icon website and from there I will download the two icons. I have placed the two icons in the drawable folder. I have given name of the icons as hard default and hard selected. Both are PNG files. Now we will be required a layout file to use in the RecyclerView adapter. We will right click in the layout folder, then new layout resource file name counter_layout. Here we will be required two text views, one for the name and the other for the number of likes, and we will be required two image views, one image view for like and the other image view for default like. We will place two image views one over the other, and we will switch the visibility of the two image views according to our requirement. We are creating first text view for name. Parent layout height would be wrap content. Now creating image views. We want the image views width and height to be dynamic. So in the values folder, we will right click, then values resource file name dimensions. So dimensions.xml file is created. For the image width and height inside resource in diamond name like underscore image value 50 dp. Now in the image view layout width and layout height at the rate of diamond / like underscore image. Then we are creating the text view for likes id likes. We are giving the text view right constraint and bottom constraint. In the parent layout, we are giving padding. We are placing the image view on the left hand side of the number of likes text view. Image view src hard selected, image view id liked. I have copy pasted the same image view because we need another image view id not liked, src hard default. We are placing one image view over other using constraints. By default, liked image will be hidden, so its visibility is gone by default. Our layout file is ready. We will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching the video. To keep watching my videos, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.